Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where your airbag fuses are located, also known as SRS fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located. Two fuses you will need to check. If you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, do not remove fuses, do not work on airbag systems, they can kill you. Consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video, guys. For some of you that are qualified to work on airbags, you already know that, but you need to disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before removing a fuse, removing an airbag, or working on airbag system. Now, on these new vehicles, it's super important which battery terminal you disconnect first, reconnect first, otherwise you can burn the electronics. How we know that? Based on our experience, we burned a module in the past that cost us $2,000 on Mercedes. So we'll explain where those fuses are located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So here, guys, let's explain now which fuses we need to check specifically, guys, for the airbag. So if we will demonstrate on 2010 Honda Accord right here, guys. You have 3 different fuse boxes. Luckily enough, we'll work in one of them. It's on the inside, guys. And you need to come to the driver's side. Right under the dash, if you look upside down all the way up, guys, above the pedals on the left side, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like that. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we'll need to check 2 fuses. If we zoom in, you're going to notice that next to the fuses you have fuse numbers. You can see those are the fuse numbers. These fuse numbers, guys, are very handy because now we need to find fuse number 11. We're talking about a 10M fuse. That's one of the fuses for the airbag system. Then you have one more fuse that you need to check, and we're talking, guys, about fuse number 12. This fuse. Now, one of them is for the airbag module, the other one is for the airbag occupant detection system as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.